This is Langham Drive, a really popular road in Galmington, close to local amenities. We have a bungalow that we're selling today. You've got two good-sized doubles and a small single room. You've got garage, you've got a driveway. It's lateral living throughout, so it's really, really flat, no steps, really fit for purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you very much for allowing me to show you around today. If you would like to come and view the property or would like me to come and value your home, please do get in touch and I hope to speak to you soon.